Now, in the Apple iPhone 17 series, you're getting an 18-megapixel selfie camera, and in previous models, it was a 12-megapixel selfie camera. But normally, if you're taking a photo with the selfie camera, you cannot see that photo in full resolution. For example, if you're taking selfie photos on Apple iPhone 17 series phones, by default, selfie photos will be taken in 7-megapixel mode. But if you want, you can take photos in 18 megapixels, or older models in 12 megapixels also. In this video, we'll be telling you about how to take selfie photos on your Apple iPhone in full resolution. For this, open the camera application. After that, I'm switching it to the selfie camera, and normally, if you're taking photos like this, when you're taking a photo and checking, you can see this photo is taken in 7 megapixels. But to take photos in 18 megapixels, what you need to do is, here you can see an arrow mark like this, 2 arrow marks, one up and one down. Click on this button. When you're clicking on that, you can see a wider field of view. After that, click a selfie photo, and when you're taking a selfie photo and checking, you can see that photo is in 18 megapixels. So, this way, you can easily take selfie photos on your Apple iPhone in full resolution. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.